Asynchronous learning refers to learning situations where the instruction and course materials are not delivered in real time. For example, an instructor may pre-record video lectures, provide reading materials to consume between classes, or ask students to post on an online discussion board on their own time. This format allows students to access lectures, assignments, and other resources at times that are most convenient to them. It generally involves the use of technology like online learning management systems to provide structured yet flexible learning environments. Here are 4 core strengths of asynchronous learning. Firstly, convenience. It accommodates learners' varying schedules and time zones, making education more accessible to people who might be unable to attend traditional scheduled classes. This makes it particularly useful for people who are juggling shift work with continuing education. Secondly, it is self-paced. Students can move through the learning materials at their own pace. They are not constrained to the pace of the rest of their class cohort. For example, a student might be able to pause and rewind videos multiple times to fully understand the content. This is particularly beneficial for those who require more time to absorb complex information. Thirdly, students may experience reduced pressure. The lack of real-time requirements reduces pressure on students, allowing them to learn in a stress-free environment and produce higher quality work. Fourthly, the materials are generally highly accessible. Since the materials are available online, students can access their courses from anywhere in the world. All they need is an internet connection, making it an excellent option for remote and international students. However, asynchronous learning does face some criticisms, limitations, and challenges. Let's look at 3. Our first limitation is that there is a lack of immediate feedback. The absence of real-time interaction can delay feedback on assignments and questions, potentially slowing down the learning process for some students. Secondly, students may experience isolation. This can occur due to the lack of face-to-face interaction. As a result, some students' motivation to learn may suffer. Thirdly, students learning asynchronously need to have self-discipline. No teacher is hovering over the student's shoulder, telling them what to do and when to do it. Instead, students must manage their time effectively and stay committed to their studies without the structure that a traditional classroom setting provides. Overall, asynchronous learning offers numerous benefits such as flexibility, self-paced education, and accessibility, making it an appealing option for many learners. However, it also presents challenges like delayed feedback, potential isolation, and the need for significant self-discipline. Understanding these strengths and weaknesses helps educators and students alike make decisions about whether to learn synchronously or asynchronously.